As you can see, the trunk floor perforation is significant here. We've got severe rust scale and hanging corrosion near the fuel tank.
Structurally, this is worse than we thought. The pillars are completely rusted through. Yeah. Confirmed. We'll need to photograph this section before we start the cuts.
This angle shows the extent of the damage clearly.
Wow, look at how deep that corrosion goes behind the fender mount.
Yeah, we're definitely going to need to replace this section of the frame rail.
Look at the pitting right here by the fuel tank strap mount. Yeah, that's definitely structural failure. Yeah, it's worse than we thought initially. Look at this stress fracture near the joint. Yeah, the integrity is compromised. We'll need to reinforce this section before welding.
How's the primary reference point look with the gauge? It's dead on. The laser confirms the secondary bulkhead measurement. I'm getting a reflection off the mirror now. Anything visible in the rocker panel? Yes, looks like pitting corrosion right here. According to the schematic, the template needs to shift forward just slightly. Yeah. All right, let me check the angle on the rocker panel again. I've finalized the inspection report here. Everything looks structurally sound, confirmed on the blueprints. Let's roll it over to the next bay. Just checking the gaps along the straight edge. Looks good. All right, I'm going to tack this in first. The gauge confirms the curvature is spot on here. Yeah. Looks good. The profile is restored exactly to spec. We've checked all the structural points. Everything seems up to spec.
Yeah, good. Let's get the finishing crew in here tomorrow.
We've still got a few high spots around these welds.
Yeah. Yeah, but the filler work looks solid. We should be ready for the epoxy tomorrow.
Check the reflection board on the door skin. See that wobble?
Yeah.
Yeah, needs more time in the center.
Check the journals next, make sure the crank runs true.
Look here, the casting looks good, but the measurements are slightly off on cylinder 7.
Agreed. We should verify with the sonic tester before we proceed.
Meticulous measurement of the cylinder bores, crankshaft journals, and deck surfaces ensures the engine meets specifications.
That's the last one torqued.
Yeah.
Piston 3 going in now. All right, keep it coming down slowly. Lining up the mounts now. Okay, settle it gently. It's seated. The stitching on these seats is absolutely flawless.
Yeah.
She's really coming together now that the interior is done. Watch the top clearance. Looks good, set it down easy. Rear glass is seated, starting the seal now. Fluid topped off.
Yep.
Gaps are perfect on this side. And we have high beams. Systems check complete. Fuel pressure is stabilizing.
All right.
Oil pressure looks good, sounds healthy.